In this video, I'm going to show you how to raise unlimited unsecured loans from the bank. Hello everyone, welcome to Property Ask a Call. Today, I will share with you unbelievably simple secret that will get you a million or more in unsecured loans whenever you want it. Banks are literally interested in giving loans to almost anyone. The only reason why a bank will refuse you a loan is when they are worried about not getting their loan paid back. So the only thing you have to do is to demonstrate to your banker that your deal has low risk or zero risk in your deal and you will get the loan. If your ability to repay is in doubt, you will be refused the loan. So the 4 simple secrets that I have discovered are: secret number 1, establish a good relationship with one bank. You do so by walking into the bank of your choice and open a business account. Make sure that your account is not overdrawn and is always liquid. Also, discuss your business proposition with a smart banker. Make the banker understand your value prop and also make the banker believe in your dream. If you are able to achieve that, as a former banker, I can guarantee you that you are at least 60% close to your goals. The second secret is to establish a good credit rating with excellent financial history and cash flow forecast. You do so by taking a small business loan with your bank, and you make sure that that loan is swept clean at least once a month. The third secret is take business loans and avoid consumer credit. The banks love to give loans to legal entities because legal entities have no age restriction as opposed to an individual. The last and the most important secret is always make sure that you've met all your obligations on time, and also try your best to pay your loans early. The banks are interested in investing in you and your team, but most importantly, they are also interested in the deal. So all you have to do is to demonstrate to the bank that your deal has positive cash flow and you will be guaranteed the loan. So today, what I'm going to show you how to model cash flow. In every deal that you have basically 4 components, and these 4 components are the money flowing in. This is where I always believe that you've got about 80% control in this. Normally, when we buy properties, we look at how we can remodel or how we can generate massive income. And we do this by remodeling our properties and by figuring out where we can get more money out of. So the income is crucial to us because that's where we have about 80% control. The second component is expense. It's money flowing out of your business. The expense in our world is made up of vacancy rates, maintenance, insurance, rate and taxes, and those are the basic components that I can discuss with you now. From your expense, your income less your expense will give you what we call the net operating income, which we call it the NOI. The NOI is basically what the banks look at. So a bank will finance your business based on what your NOI number is. And once you've gotten your NOI, in our case, it's the mortgage. The cash flow can be positive or negative, depending on what your other components are saying to you. So, for you to have a massive cash flow, your income must be higher than your expense. And hence, I say that you always have 80% control because on your income. Because at the expense, at 20% control, you don't know, it is what it is. If you buy a bucket of paint from your supplier, you have little or no room to negotiate your price down. But you have every opportunity to increase your cash flow. So Once you've identified that and you've understood that, you will be able to create massive of this, because this is what you want to demonstrate to your investors. So this is a deal that we did a few years ago. We got a property very cheap on the market. We got this property at 450. The property needed some renovations and remodeling, but the bank valued this property for R1 million. And they gave us 80% loan to value. By that I mean that they gave us 800,000 rand on this deal. So you look at this. Property bought 450,000 rand. We've got 350,000 rand excess in cash from the bank, who believed in our business and what we did to pay for your legal fees and to remodel your business, or to finance the renovation aspect of the business. On this deal, in the first year, we generated a rental income of 348k. Our expenses came in at 101k. I've basically broken down the components of what made up that 101k expense, which is your maintenance. Then this is exactly what we presented to the bank, by the way. This is what the bank wants to see. So your maintenance comes in at 5%, which is 17k. Vacancy, we demonstrated to the bank at 10%, but in actual fact, in the first year, our vacancy rate was actually at 6%, so we made more money. So it's 35k at 10%. Our letting agent fee at 10% gives us 35k, and the rates and taxes at 4k, and our insurance came in at 10k. So in total, your income less the expense gave us a net operating income figure of 247k. And the first year, our mortgage was at 80k. So your net operating income less the mortgage gives you a free cash flow of 167k. And you should notice that our free cash flow was more than 2 times our mortgage that we took from the bank. And this is what I mean by saying that if you can demonstrate that your deal has little or no risk at all, the bank is going to give you the loan. So you probably will be able to generate as much unlimited loans from the bank as possible, so far as you'll be able to demonstrate this to the bank. So in our deal, we had basically no risk at all, because whatever we took care of the negative, and whatever that was going to happen, we were still going to be able to pay the mortgage. This is the part that you show the bank. I'm going to teach you how to calculate your return on investment. So your return on investment is basically your net profit over your cash invested. So in our deal, our ROI was equal to 167k over basically 0, because we didn't invest a single cent of our money in the deal. The bank financed the complete deal, which then means that we made an infinite profit. And this is basically what you want to achieve. You want to do a lot of these deals with the bank's money or people's money, and you generate massive income for the bank, generate massive income for yourself, and generate massive income for your investors. And this is what you want to do all the time. So there you have it. I hope that you found this video very useful.